Nikita, how are you?
Fine. You?
I am fine.
How is your online classes?
It's going well. Nowadays, we are so related with internet, right?
Yes, and also we need to know the positive and negative sides of internet.
Yes, hacking is the main problem happening nowadays.
We need to protect our personal accounts first.
We all are somewhat aware of hacking, right?
Yes, hacking includes cyber attacks.
So, we need to know some more about cybersecurity and ethics.
So, for preventing cyber attacks, there is a practice of protecting systems, network, and programs from digital attack.
Cyber attack means an attempt by hackers to damage or destroy a computer system.
Now, there are films which are based on hacking too.
We need to be aware of the dangerous side of the internet. It's very important.
We need to protect our accounts from some dangerous problems too.
Now, let us go to the world of cybersecurity and ethics. Cybersecurity means protecting data, networks, programs, and other information from unauthorized or unattended access, destruction, or change. In today's world, cybersecurity is very important because of some security threats and cyber attack. For data protection, many companies develop software. This software protects the data. Cybersecurity is important because not only it helps to secure information but also our system from virus attack. After the USA and China, India has the highest number of internet users. Cybersecurity is important because it protects all categories of data from theft and damage. These include sensitive data, personally identifiable information, protected health information, personal information, intellectual property, data, and governmental and industry information systems.
The importance of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity's importance is on the rise. Fundamentally, our society is more technologically reliant than ever before, and there is no sign that this trend will slow. Data leaks that could result in identity theft are now publicly posted on social media accounts. Sensitive information like social security numbers, credit card information, and bank account details are now stored in cloud storage services like Dropbox or Google Drive. Why is cybercrime increasing? Information theft is the most expensive and fastest growing segment of cybercrime, largely driven by the increasing exposure of identity information to the web via cloud services. But it is not the only target. Industrial controls that manage power grids and other infrastructure can be disrupted or destroyed. And identity theft isn't the only goal. Cyber attacks may aim to compromise data integrity, to breed distrust in an organization or government.
Ethical hacking involves an authorized attempt to gain unauthorized access to a computer system, application, or data. Carrying out an ethical hack involves duplicating strategy and actions of malicious attackers, also known as white hats. Ethical hackers are security experts that perform these assessments.
We hope you all get a clear idea about cybersecurity and ethics. Thank you for watching our video.